Welcome back to Explore with Meg, your go-to for adventure and travel tips. Today we're diving into the top European cities where Black travelers can feel celebrated, safe, and right at home. I've listened to our community and curated a list of cities with rich Black history, vibrant culture, and a true sense of belonging. This is about more than sightseeing, it's about connection, empowerment, and making unforgettable memories. Grab your notebook and get ready for the real tea on where to go, what to see, and why these cities are must-visits. Let's jump in. First up, London, a city where Black culture isn't just present, it's woven into the very fabric of daily life. Here, the rhythm of the city pulses with the energy, creativity, and resilience of Black communities from all over the world. The diversity here is truly unmatched. On any given day, you'll hear patois, Yoruba, and countless other languages on the bus. Find jollof rice and plantain just around the corner, and see Black excellence shining everywhere you look, from the boardroom to the block party. Brixton is a must. Its market is alive with Caribbean flavors, African fabrics, and a sense of home that's impossible to miss. The air is filled with the aroma of spices, the sound of laughter, and the vibrant colors of community. Notting Hill Carnival is Europe's biggest street party, a vibrant celebration of Caribbean culture you'll never forget. For 2 days, the streets explode with music, dance, and joy, drawing people from all backgrounds to celebrate unity and heritage. Everyday life in London means exploring neighborhoods like Peckham and Dalston, where Black-owned shops, art galleries, and Afrobeats club nights create a scene that's always buzzing. These areas are creative hubs where new trends are born and community thrives. The Black Cultural Archives in Brixton is a powerful reminder of our history and contributions. It's a space to learn, reflect, and celebrate the stories that have shaped not just London, but the world. London's established Black community means you'll find support, friendship, and a sense of belonging wherever you go. Whether you're new in town or a lifelong Londoner, there's always someone ready to welcome you in. From Nigerian restaurants to Jamaican bakeries, the city's food scene is a delicious journey through the diaspora. Every meal is a celebration of heritage, and every bite tells a story. London is perfect for first-timers and seasoned travelers alike. Classic sights by day, reggae brunch by afternoon, and endless possibilities by night. There's always something new to discover. It's the blend of tradition and vibrant Black culture that makes London a top-tier destination. Here, history and modernity walk hand in hand, creating a city that feels both timeless and fresh. You'll feel both the excitement of discovery and the comfort of familiarity. London welcomes you with open arms, making you feel at home even as you explore new corners. Whether you're exploring Buckingham Palace or dancing at a local club, London invites you to be yourself and join in the celebration. The city's world-class infrastructure and strong community make it easy to connect, settle in, and truly feel at home no matter where you're from. London isn't just a stop, it's an experience that stays with you long after you leave. Every street, every festival, every meal adds to your story. Dive into its neighborhoods, taste its food, and celebrate its culture. There's always a new flavor, a new sound, a new friend waiting to be found. For Black travelers, London is more than a destination. It's a home away from home, a place where your roots and your dreams can grow side by side. The city's energy is infectious and empowering, inspiring you to live boldly and connect deeply. London is where your European adventure should begin. Let's keep moving and see what else this incredible city and continent has to offer. Next, we journey to Paris, a city renowned for its romance, art, and timeless allure. It's also home to a thriving Black diaspora that enriches the city's cultural tapestry. Beyond the iconic Eiffel Tower, discover the vibrant neighborhood of Chateau Rouge, where African markets brim with life. Here, vibrant fabrics and tantalizing street food create a sensory feast that captivates the senses. The African and Afro-Caribbean communities have profoundly shaped Paris's music, food, and unique style. The legacy of cultural icons like Josephine Baker and James Baldwin continues to inspire the city's creative spirit. Don't miss Afropunk Paris, a vibrant festival celebrating Black alternative culture, music, and art in all its forms. Explore the rich flavors of Senegalese cuisine in the Latin Quarter's diverse dining scene. Discover jazz clubs with deep roots in Black history, and cozy bookshops that invite you to linger. Book clubs, walking tours, and community events make it easy to connect and feel at home in this vibrant city. The Goutte d'Or area and Marche des Jeunes offer a perfect blend of authentic food and rich culture. Paris is about more than just sightseeing, it's about immersing yourself in the rich tapestry of the diaspora's story. The city's black community is resilient, joyful, and ever-evolving, adding layers to Paris's charm. Experience the allure of high fashion on the Champs-Élysées, a world-renowned shopping destination. Then, find the perfect head wrap in the bustling markets of Chateau Rouge, a true cultural gem. Paris is a city of revolution, art, and deep cultural roots that continue to inspire and captivate. For a trip that blends iconic sights with genuine connection, Paris is an absolute must-visit. Don't let the stereotypes fool you. Paris is warm, vibrant, and welcoming to all who visit. Dive into its diverse neighborhoods and discover a side of Paris you'll never forget. Let's head south. Now, Lisbon, a city that feels like a warm embrace where every sunrise seems to promise new adventures and every sunset wraps you in golden light. Its deep ties to Africa are reflected in the music, food, and growing black expat community, creating a sense of belonging that's hard to find elsewhere in Europe. Muraria is a multicultural hub, with African restaurants and shops lining its winding streets, where the aroma of spices and the sound of laughter fill the air. Lisbon's laid-back vibe and friendly locals make it easy to relax and feel at home, whether you're sipping coffee at a sunlit cafe or striking up a conversation with a neighbor. The city's pace invites you to slow down, soak up the sun, and just be, embracing the art of living in the moment, surrounded by beauty at every turn. Black expats are building community here, find meetups, brunches, and support networks with ease, making it simple to connect and form lasting friendships. The live music scene is a must, from soulful Cape Verdean morna to the irresistible rhythms of Angolan kizomba, filling the city with energy and joy. Dance the night away in clubs filled with locals and travelers alike, where every beat brings people together and every night is a celebration. Lisbon is affordable, beautiful, and buzzing with possibility, a city where dreams feel within reach and creativity thrives. It's a place where a new chapter of the diaspora is being written, with opportunities for work, play, and personal growth around every corner. The city is both historic and modern, relaxed yet vibrant, blending old-world charm with a fresh, youthful spirit that's impossible to resist. Whether you're here for a week or a lifetime, you'll find your people, your rhythm, and a sense of home that stays with you. Lisbon's African influence is everywhere, from the art on the walls to the flavors on your plate, making it a unique European gem that celebrates diversity. Enjoy the food, music, and community spirit. Lisbon is calling, answer it. Next stop, the Netherlands, but the memories you make here will last a lifetime. Amsterdam, a city of canals, bikes, and a truly open-minded spirit. The Afro-Surinamese and Afro-Dutch communities add rich layers to the city's culture. Venture beyond the tourist spots to neighborhoods like Bijlmer and De Piep for authentic food and community. The Kwaku Summer Festival is a joyful celebration of Afro-Caribbean culture. Don't miss it. Amsterdam's live and let live attitude means you can be yourself, free from judgment. The city is easy to navigate, clean, and full of hidden gems. Enjoy a canal cruise, rent a bike, and explore world-class museums. Amsterdam blends stunning scenery with vibrant black culture and a relaxed vibe. Eat Surinamese roti for lunch, chill by a canal, and soak up the city's energy. For a trip that's equal parts culture, history, and chill, Amsterdam delivers. Let's keep the adventure going. Berlin. Creative, edgy, and always reinventing itself. The city's rebellious spirit attracts artists, free spirits, and a growing Afro-German community. Kreuzberg and Neukölln are buzzing with street art, food, and nightlife. Connect with the local black community at festivals like Kanako Africa and cultural events year-round. Berlin celebrates individuality. Find your niche, whether it's techno clubs or poetry slams. The city's history of resilience shapes its open, tolerant atmosphere. Explore the Berlin Wall Memorial and East Side Gallery for a powerful perspective. Berlin is sprawling, diverse, and full of surprises. Dive into its neighborhoods, discover art in unexpected places, and dance until sunrise. For travelers seeking inspiration and connection, Berlin is a must. Ready for some sun? Let's go to Spain. Barcelona, where energy, art, and beach life collide. The city's international vibe means you blend right in, surrounded by people from everywhere. Explore beyond La Rambla to find Afro beats and reggae nights, and connect with the city's black community. El Raval is a melting pot. Discover African markets, restaurants, and black-owned businesses. Barcelona's lifestyle is all about tapas, long meals, and afternoons on the beach. The city's architecture, parks, and boulevards make wandering a joy. The pace is relaxed, focused on enjoyment and connection. For a mix of art, food, beach, and nightlife, Barcelona is unbeatable. The city is open, colorful, and full of life. Dive in, explore, and make unforgettable memories. Next, a hidden gem in Belgium. Brussels, Europe's capital with a vibrant African heart. The Matange district is the center of Congolese culture, colorful shops, music, and incredible food. Try Congolese specialties like poulet mwambe and support family-run restaurants. Brussels is international, tolerant, and full of surprises. Beyond Matange, explore the Grand Place, comic book route, and indulge in Belgian treats. The city's nightlife pulses with Afro-Caribbean rhythms and community. Brussels balances historic charm with a modern global vibe. Connect with the diaspora and celebrate Afro-European culture. Don't overlook Brussels, it's a unique, welcoming destination. Experience the best of both worlds, classic Europe and vibrant Africa. One last stop, let's head north. Copenhagen, safe, stylish, and effortlessly cool. The city's safety and trust make it perfect for solo Black travelers. While the Black community is smaller, it's growing and vibrant, especially in Nørrebro. Enjoy multicultural cafes, boutiques, and summer festivals celebrating music and food. Copenhagen's quality of life is unmatched, clean, efficient, and focused on hygge. Explore minimalist design, chic shops, and world-class restaurants. The city is calm, organized, and inspiring, a perfect place to recharge. For a relaxed, high-quality European experience, Copenhagen is a top pick. There you have it, Europe's best cities for Black travelers to feel welcome and inspired. Each city offers a unique blend of culture, community, and unforgettable experiences. Which city will you visit first? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips from Explore with Meg. Thanks for watching. Stay adventurous, stay curious, and see you next time. Bye.